Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the founder and CEO of The Boutique by Ursula. That is at shop_The Boutique on Instagram, The Boutique by Ursula on Facebook, and The Boutique_Baddie. That's my model page. That's me. I'm the model. I'm the baddie of The Boutique. I want to welcome you back to my channel, and I am back with another try-on haul. Y'all know, before we get into the meat and potatoes of the video, y'all stop what y'all are doing. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click your notification bell so you will know whenever I drop a video. And of course, I need you to leave me a comment. I want you to comment and let me know which piece you like the best once you've seen all of the new arrivals. Now, this time I don't have a full collection. I dropped some new arrivals on Friday, May 19th. We still have quite a few pieces left. It wasn't a whole lot. Like I said, it's not a full collection. We are going into the summertime and it is sundress season. We are already feeling it. Y'all know I told y'all I am here in Houston and we are feeling the heat. So it's already sundress season here. Summer is officially, I think, June 20th or 21st, one of those days. So I brought some new arrivals to you that are perfect for the summertime. Now let's get into the first one. This is our Starburst midi dress. She is really cute. And y'all see the color scheme? That's why I call her Starburst. But she has these front ties. Let me show you. They are attached to the dress. And you can actually tie this however you want. You can crisscross it. If you want to tie it in the back, you could tie it on the side. It's all up to you. But I had it tied in the middle. This dress comes in sizes small to extra large. I am wearing a large. She does have lots of stretch. Tank style, this is the back. And as you can see, she fits like a glove. Now, she does contain stretch, but she is true to size. So whatever size you wear, that's the size I would get. Like I said, I'm wearing a large. She's perfect for this sundress season that we are currently in, because we're not even approaching it. We are currently in it. So grab your Starburst midi dress. If you are new here, you don't know this, but you will grab all of your pieces from shoptheboutique.com. Now remember, you have to put both E's in order to come to my website. One E will take you somewhere else. So it's shoptheboutique.com. Next up is a maxi dress. This is our Split Personalities maxi dress. And of course, she is called Split Personality because of the obvious. Tie-dye on one side, solid on the other. She has the side, let me step back a little more. She has the side split over here. But she's all the way down on this side with a little gathering, a little ruching right here. As you can see, kind of drop. Well, let me not say drop, but drape down. And you see she comes to my ankle. Again, I'm only 5'3", but she will still be a cute dress if you're just a little bit taller than me. Now, she's tank style on one side, little cap sleeve on the other. Really cute. I mean, she is really cute. She comes in sizes small, medium, and large. She runs a bit loose. Even though she looks like she is fitting to me, this one is really loose. Lots of stretch. So I was able to size down. I am wearing a medium in this dress. So if you are an extra large, you're able to fit the large, and so on. Large, get a medium. Medium, you can grab the small. And small, you'll just have to kind of make adjustments. You know, you could throw her off the shoulder on this side. If she's a little bit big on you, if you're a size small, throw her off the shoulder over here. Keep this one on. You can gather both pieces. You could tie them together, and you can do that even if you're not a size small. Like so. And you can wear her just like this. You have to know how to style it to fit your body. For me, I gotta untie it. Split Personalities maxi dress. Remember, you can size down for a better fit. Next up is our Falling Long maxi dress. She comes in sizes small to extra large. She runs a bit big. so you're able to size down. I am wearing a medium. Falling long. Y'all see why she's called falling long? Y'all look at this. Now, again, I'm not the tallest, but look, she's falling long. She has pockets. She's very, very comfortable, y'all. She feels so good. We have this bit of elastic going around. You can see it here, and it kind of gathers right here under the breast. She's cute. She's super comfortable, and she is perfect for the heat. You can wear her with heels. You can wear her with flip-flops, sandals, however you choose to. You could throw a little jacket on with her. I love it. It's falling long. All right. We now have our best seller at the boutique right now. This is our Brunch Me Please jumpsuit. And I say that because I love brunch, and she is perfect to wear for brunch. Y'all see that? She is cute. Oh my goodness. Everyone absolutely love this jumpsuit. Now, what I have to do, I'm gonna have to add reviews to the website so that you all can see exactly that real people purchase these products and I get real feedback. And everyone loved this jumpsuit. They love the fit of it. Now, the only thing is, she comes in sizes small to 2X, but you have to size up. She runs a bit small. She has minimum stretch. She does contain stretch, but it's very minimum. It's not super stretchy. However, you have to size up. Now, this that I'm wearing, this is an extra large. Remember, my regular size is large. So I sized up to an extra large because she runs a tad bit small. And she's roomy. I mean, I can stretch, I can do all that. She fits good. See this elastic in the waist? This is a real drawstring. When you draw it, it will pull it in. She has pockets here. They are real pockets, see? Real pockets here. Button down, but she has elastic around the ankle and it does grab. So that's why she's able to fit that way on the bottom. So if you wanted to pull it up and wear it like that, you could. I mean, because it will stay. All right, next up is our really cute kimonos. This is our Sip and Slay kimono in white. And as you can see, I have on just a cute little white camisole top and some denim shorts. Oh, y'all, I just keep hitting this thing. Some denim shorts with my sandals. But you see how it plays? It's really cute, and you can wear it just like this. You can actually put on a pair of heels with this same outfit and take her into the nighttime. You can wear a pair of jeans with this. She is great to layer on top of whatever you want to wear underneath. This is the back. Very, very loose and flowy. You can size down in this piece. This is a size medium. The kimonos come in sizes small, medium, and large. And like I said, you can size down. This is a medium, and I can wear a small. So you can size down. So if you are a 2X, you can fit that large. If you are an extra large, you can fit the large. You can size down. Like I said, this is a medium, and I can fit the small, and my regular size is a large. So, and this is the white kimono. And let me just show you. This is our fuchsia kimono. See, and she looks good with this same outfit. Really, really cute. Now, the white kimono has all sizes available. The fuchsia kimono only has sizes, I think sizes small and medium, or just small. I don't know, but I know large in this fuchsia kimono is all sold out. Really cute. I absolutely love a good kimono. I mean, it's an accessory, in my opinion. It can bring your outfit from 0 to 100 real quick. Make a statement. Will have others asking you, excuse me, where did you get that? Y'all better not say, oh, I don't remember. Let her know the boutique. This is the Sip and Slay kimono. This is a medium in the fuchsia as well. So remember, you can size down very loose and flowy. If you have made it to this part of the video, I want to thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click your notification bell, and of course, share the video. Sharing means caring. Share the channel, share. I have tons of videos. This is my second try on haul. I am on a roll. Consistency is key. With that being said, I will catch you in the next video. Same place, same channel. Adios.